Hi there, CJ here with the start of new tutorials, Pinnacle Studio 23 Ultimate. If you want to get started in Pinnacle, these tutorials should also work in the newer versions of Pinnacle Ultimate or Plus. Now when you first open the program, you are greeted with this welcome window. You get news, tutorials, upgrade, get more, bestseller, and of course the sale is still on. It's now Pinnacle Studio Ultimate 26 and also the Ultimate Bundle. I don't have the Ultimate Bundle, I just have Ultimate. But if you have an earlier version of Pinnacle, now's the time to upgrade. Anyway, this little house icon that you see above here, this will bring you right back when you're in Edit or any one of these other places and you want to get back to this welcome window. Just click on this house and it will bring you right back to this window. To get started, go to File, New, and Movie. I had a previous program in there, so I forgot to close that out. Now notice when you get in here, there's a lot to see, a lot to read. But if you hover your mouse over every one of these things, it'll show you in just a minute here. It'll give you a description of what each one of these buttons is all about. This is your project bin. This is where all your video clips, your pictures, and your audio will go. This is all for your studio movie projects. And you can see here, organize your media projects and effects by creating collections. And they even have effects, transitions, sound effects, titles, which I will get to in another tutorial. Right now what I want to show you is how to get started. When you go up here to File and you click on Open, what this does is it opens any any studio movie projects that you have, and they will all be centered right here, located in this part right here. But I don't have any open projects right now, so I have to go to my File Explorer and get my files from there. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. So from here, you can drag and drop right into the project bin. I will take another file and drag that into the project bin. Now, let's say I made a mistake, which I didn't, but let's just say I made a mistake. Click on the file to activate it, the one that you want to remove from your project bin. What you do is you right click and go all the way down here to remove from project bin. But since it was not a mistake, I just want to show you that that's how you can remove it from your project bin if you do make a mistake. So from here, you can drag this down right onto the timeline, and the next one right onto the timeline. Now, because I'm making this tutorial, I'm going to have to lower this music because you won't be able to hear anything if I do. So let me see if I can. Yeah, that's much better. Now, let's say there is no music added to this. You can add your own music if you got it from like Epidemic Sound or from Storyblocks, or you can add your own music when I find it. You get a very large variety of different music to choose from ambient to classical to electronica. And what you do is you would also drag this down just like you would a video clip, just like that. And I'm going to have to. Now, if you want to listen to the music without putting it here in your editor, what you can do is click Alt and left click, and that's how you can listen to a preview of your music. Now, if you go through every one of these little icons, rest your mouse over them, get to know the program. It is a really good way to get to know the program on your own, like the back of your hand. Learn all the ins and outs of it. These show what's in your project bin. This shows your studio movie projects. Over here, you've got sound effects. Click over here more. You have paint effects. I've never used that, so I don't know what that does. But these are all projects. Some of these are pre-loaded projects just to show you how it works. One of them is a tutorial. And If you hear a strange noise right now, that's one of my cat's toys. So that's all there is to show you right now. I just wanted to show you this to get it started, but I'll go more in depth as these tutorials progress more and show you what each function does and how it's done. And I'll show you how to get a title in the beginning of your video. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.